Hey guys, Twerky here, and today we'll be doing a tutorial of how to use this recording program called Virtual Dub. But first, to get Virtual Dub, you need to go onto your browser. It's a free recording device. I'll put the link in, but you don't really need to use that. You can just type in Virtual Dub, and then you click enter. And then you go to, is it this one? Yeah, and then you click Virtual Dub at Source Forge. And then you want to download this thing. So, yeah, so your download should start automatically. But I already have it, so I don't need that. So then once you have, it'll come up with something like it'll come up with a zip folder, and then it'll have one of them will say Virtual Dub setup, and then you just want to drag that on here, or I think it says Virtual Dub or something like that, and then it'll look like this, and then this is what you want. You can delete that folder after you're done, so you can enter in. So then you can edit all your videos. So then you can just go into File, and then open video file to see which video you want. These are just videos I made. So I'll just put a video I haven't uploaded yet. I'm probably not gonna upload. Oh no, I probably will, but I'll upload this video first. So then you can to see a preview of it, you can just click play. And then you can yeah, and then you can pause it, and then yeah, and then if you say I don't want all this stuff until 500, what I do is I hit this button, and then I drag this all the way to 500, and then hit this button, and then I go to edit, and then I say clear section. So then when I click play, wait, what? Wait, I accidentally made a mistake. So then you hit this button, and then you say I don't want until 500. So then you go all the way to 500, and then you hit this button, and then you go to edit, and then you do, just cut, and then you click, and then you start from the beginning, and then you hit play, and then it starts over here. Yeah, so if you want to just fast forward it, or see I hit play, and then fast forward. What even is this key then? I don't know, but so let me stop this video. What even is this for? Oh, I don't even know. This is okay. So then if you want to add another thing, you just say append API setting, said or whatever, and then say I want to add this. Wait, what the? Okay. So then I say append API segment, and then I click this, and then open Virtual Dub. Video streams do not share a common sample. I don't know, maybe because this video is too long. What does this do? Then you can play without any sound. And you can, what else can you do? Whoa. And that is pretty much it. So, well, I don't really think this help you is kind of lame, but yeah, because virtual dub kind of sucks. But not to say anything bad about it, because I just wanted to record a video. Oh yeah, and you can also like scroll your mouse and then I'll play. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this really quickly to make it work. But the voice won't be there. It's best to just click play if you want to. I only have 10 eggs. Oh, God. They should have rocky ball now. Exploded. Sounds rocky. Oh, well, look at that stuff. Wait, where? Agent Yeah, well, I was just watching that video. So, I hope this tutorial helped you, and I'm never really gonna. No, well, yeah, so I hope this tutorial helped you, and see ya!